Started here. Second bead. This was the last one. So after a little bit of head scratching, I think I narrowed down my issue. It would fire up and then just die. Fire up, die, fire up, die. Rechecked a bunch of crap, and what I found is my SAFC wiring, super airflow converter. The airflow meter signal out wire, the yellow one, was pulled loose from all my muscle in the harness into this Pelican case. And what I had done, since I'm running a RB26 computer but with one VG30 airflow meter, I cut the original airflow meter signal, and then so I'm retaining the super airflow converter as a signal splitter. So it goes into the super airflow converter, one signal from the VG30, comes out this yellow wire as a split signal, and then that goes to these two inputs on the RB26 ECU. So it is now reading twin VG30 signals.